Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? So today I wanted to talk to you all about the VinLuxe Pro Wine Aerator. So yeah, this is a cool little gift that I got from somebody not too long ago. He knows that we drink a lot of wine here, so it's kind of a cool thing. Essentially, it's a little aerator, diffuser, pour, and decanter all in one. Really nifty little thing here. I really have gotten to love this. So, kind of a small, quick overview of what it does. Essentially, these sort of aerators are made to make your wine taste better by aerating it before it hits the glass. With this one specifically, it does it really quickly, as using something like a decanter can take actually quite a long time. So this is cool because it does it basically right away. It's instant. It really only takes a few seconds to put on and use. Basically what you do is you take some wine, you pour it through the actual thing right in here, and then it comes out right here into your glass. Basically what it does, it just opens up your wine, which is really cool. And especially if you've tried wine before and after with any sort of aerator decanter, you'll realize the difference. It definitely removes that bitter aftertaste, kind of gets rid of the more like undesirable compounds that you would find in wine, and so it's a helpful little tool. And then I guess winos kind of know. The thing that really caught my eye about it first was the design. The design is super cool on this thing. It's very sleek, very attractive looking, and I love something like that where that also has functionality, but it also just looks great. It's also very easy to clean, except for this top part right here. I mean, you can just wash it through, but you really have to like stick a little paper towel in there to dry to get like the spots off. Like you can see, there's a spot. I just kind of ran some water through it, but there's a little spot left there. Other than that, though, it looks really nice. It's made out of what I would say is a heavy sort of plastic, maybe like an acrylic sort of material. But even though it looks like it's just cheap plastic, it's actually got some nice weight to it. Always love when products have a little bit of weight to them. I think just makes them seem like they're more professional products, I guess. And then it also comes with this nice little stand that you can see right here. And this is to prop it up on. You can easily put it right there. I think you can also, I don't have the cover for it. It also comes with a little cover too, so you can, take it places. But yeah, that's more like, we left that with our camping gear. We actually took it camping last weekend with some wine, and it was really nice. Yeah, and then you also have the little design right here on the front. Pretty sure that's the design of the company. And yeah, and then a little black kind of rubber stripe around the end. I guess that maybe gives you a little bit of grip when you're using it. Yeah, and it's just really nice. As you can see, it's super easy. It's super self-explanatory, so even if you've never used one of these before, you'll figure it out right away. I actually never used one just quite like this. And right when I pulled it out of the box, I knew what to do. I also kind of, I guess, understood what it was for anyway, so it wasn't too difficult, but it is very helpful and just very cool. I've used other aerators in the past, and I really like this one a lot more than the other aerators that I've used. For one, obviously I was gifted this thing, but just looking it up, like, it's not expensive at all, compared to a lot of the fancier looking ones. And it really does exactly what it's meant to do, and it does it quickly. That's the main thing, is you literally just pour it through this into the glass. And my favorite thing is to have people come over and they really, I don't know, kind of doubt that this thing will actually work and do something, but then I show them and do like a little before and after with their wine, and they're pretty surprised. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, if you're looking for a really nice aerator or just like a nice gift to get somebody, these are super cool. Again, they're the VinLuxe Pro Wine Aerators, and yeah, I would highly recommend it if you or your friend or family or whatever is into wine. Alright, take it easy, you guys.